Greetings, hello. Um, so viewers, I'm gonna do a quick test as always, just to make sure everything's working. It might not be, but let's just hope it is. Trying out some new tech, such as I have a Wickle microphone here. You might not be able to see it too well, but it's there, and that's gonna make my audio, hopefully, much better. Oh, hello, we've got something. Well, that really does work. I'm pleased with that. I tried it when I first got this. I tried it on Audacity, and I was not happy because it was coming out really quiet, and I really hoped it wasn't. Um, I really hoped that it wasn't something to do with the product itself. It sounds like it's not. It's actually getting some pretty damn good quality, and I mean that has been tested before I started use. Yeah, it has been tested before now, so that's fine. There's something I'm gonna do before we start proper, like, because some stuff needs to change. And by some stuff, before any of you get really worried, by some stuff, um, it's just some slight stuff on the web, on a website that you don't even know about yet. Um, oh wait, just a second. Hello there. I just had to go help out with some mathematics. Right. Sorry if if that clap was really loud. This is currently what the Pixel Soup website looks like. It's not too dashing, in my opinion. In fact, I cannot stand it. So, the idea is to go onto Move Root website. We're going to make a new Pixel Soup website. We're going to do it right now. I'm not going to be doing any coding as of right now. Might come later. Don't know yet. Probably. I can't imagine doing this stream and not doing any code on a game. That would be silly. I am going to stop streaming now, although you can't see the password. I'd prefer not to stream my logging in process, because, I don't know, there's something slightly uncomfortable about that. I, I kind of prefer not to show the entire back end of the website either. But right, this is the Dungeon Warp website, which you may have seen because this is publicly available. What we're going to do is we're going to just duplicate this and make some changes depending on what Pixel Soup needs. And at the moment, I'm not sure what Pixel Soup needs. But I do like this layout and stuff. It took me a while to get right because of centering everything. I mean, everything was being centered to a place it shouldn't have been centered to, because we didn't want margins coming down either side, because we wanted the top banner to extend out uh, like past our boundaries that we'd been set initially. So, you know, that was a thing. I think you duplicate somewhere. Copy site, I think. There we go. Pixel soup. Oh, well done, brain. Pixelsoup.domain.com. No, .moonfruit.com. Pixel soup. Yeah. And what we're going to do is we're going to transfer the Pixel Soup subdomain, pixel-soup.account.com. We're going to transfer that subdomain over to the new Pixel Soup website once this becomes a Pixel Soup website. If you catch what I'm trying to talk about or not, you don't have to. It doesn't matter. I have no idea what I'm going on about, really. Well, I do. I just don't really. It doesn't matter if you understand, really. Just don't listen to me. Seriously, that's something you really needn't do right now. Oh, one thing I do want to know how to do is how to put the friggin' menu back, because I completely got rid of the menu to put in these little buttons here, and the issue with that is they are themed to Dungeon Warp, and if there's no Dungeon Warp, we don't want those. We want the original menu buttons in, but I don't know how to do that. I'm pretty sure there was a button for it, but I think it was in the version 5 editor, and this is the version 6 editor, so I'm not sure. Surely there's something somewhere. Oh. If I save this and then go back to the page, I think I can... New, because I'm not hiding the menu on the page. The menu has been completely deleted. Is there a way to put that back in? I'm not sure. There should be a way, surely. That would be a very smart thing. I don't think there is, you know. But, as it happens, it doesn't matter right now. All we need to do is we want to delete all of these Pixel Soup type things. Dungeon Warp, not Pixel Soup. What are you writing about Pixel Soup? Pixel Soup. It's pretty crazy. That's the best description of Pixel Soup that can be given, and that will be given. It is literally the only description that fits. Pixel Soup. Oh, yeah. It's pretty crazy. And now, that's more or less right. What have I done? It doesn't really fit for whatever reason. What have I done wrong? Oh, I know exactly what I've done wrong, because I am a big silly. I have done capitals. No, go away. I want this one. I have done capitals on these, and they don't need capitals because they are in the middle of a sentence. I am studying English. The depressing thing is that's actually true. Oh Christ. That's That's pretty bad. That's pretty damn bad. That's not even a lie. What is this? This is not Dungeon Warp. Go away. The big Dungeon Warp logo does not help us out at all here. This is in the page master. I'm gonna have to change that. This is just all basically completely Pixel Soup. Dungeon Warp, not Pixel Soup. Why do I keep saying Pixel Soup? I like Pixel Soup. But I also like Dungeon Warp. Both of those are going to be interesting games. Should I find the time to finish them? This is my life essentially. That's really sad. That Dungeon Warp website though, this looks rather nice. I think it's quite pretty. It's very pretty. And it's all it's got going for it right now. It's quite pretty. Right, I'm gonna do some Facebook jiggery because hell no, I don't know. I don't even care. I think I'll Facebook it on Akel's page and then I'll share it from my page. I don't know. I don't care. Yay! There we go. That's cool. Everything is working. And then I shall share it to my timeline. Or my own timeline. Okay, hello. I was a massive stupid and I accidentally pressed my standby button. Not sure how that affected the stream, but I'm sure it made some crazy things happen. I suppose it would be logical if the whole stream just shut off. That would probably make sense. Okay. Might start doing some game work soon. That would be a great thing to do, considering that's what I'm supposed to do. That's my job. I'm gonna have to upload the Pixel Soup logo. That would be a great thing. Everything is just Dungeon Warp in here, and we don't want that, do we? And Pixel Soup is on my desktop. Actually, I think it's logo. There we go. I don't think the Pixel Soup logo is that big. No, it's not. It's like the first normal sized thing we've had on a website. Everything is like massive, high resolution. When you come to a Kale, it's just like I think the Kale logo is 3,000 pixels wide, which is ridiculous considering we use it mostly as a web graphic. So putting that onto a website is like stupidly big. We have to, I think there's an Akale logo. If you go to akale.com, there's an Akale logo in the top left hand corner. I think that's on 10% of its size, which is stupidly condensed if you think about it. I think this is all too dark. So what we're going to do is we are just completely ripping off another game's website here. Our own game's website, obviously. We wouldn't rip off someone else's game. That would be bad. And we don't do that at Kale. Oh, excuse me. Do we have a background? Yeah, we do. Oh. Where does this colour come in then? I don't even know. Would it be wallpaper? Yeah, there we go. We don't want that colour. Or do we? No. Maybe try that colour? No, I don't like that. Don't like that at all. We sort of, we bring that colour down. I don't know. Let's try that. That's quite nice. I don't know, maybe a bit brighter. I can't even remember what we're trying to do here. Yeah, I'm great at this job. This is why I designed the website. Because I clearly know exactly what I'm doing. I don't. I haven't got a clue. This looks nice, right? Right. Give me some feedback here. Don't leave me hanging. And everything down here is really dark. Is that gonna work? I mean, no, probably not. But if we change this too much, what's gonna happen is nothing will be visible. Because now we have that contrast. That's really low transparency though, so we could probably bring that up and that'll be fine. This needs to be a highlight. It's not doing a great job of being that right now. So if we do that, maybe bring the transparency down a little bit. I don't know, what do we do? Yeah, maybe just bring the transparency down. That works. Seems pretty damn good to me. What's this bit? Is this the same as that bit? Yeah, it is. It's that bit. That's fine. And everything is sort of slightly brighter, which is the theme of Pixel Soup, I'd say. It's not as dark as our other stuff. Because everything we do seems to be really dark, and then we just got Pixel Soup, which is inherently not dark. It's a really light-hearted game, and it's just platform shooter goodness and everything good like that. I quite like that as well, especially I didn't remove this border because I thought I'd give it a bit of an outline, because everything in Pixel Soup has quite a solid outline. So, like the style of the actual game itself. Ugh. I'm having to sit like this because I was sitting on my foot, and now my foot, I have pins and needles in my foot, which is, you know, that's good. And because I don't really have very much to put on here yet, what I'm going to do is have, oh look at that orange, I forgot about that orange. That's part of the basic template of the website, and I haven't got my head around how you change that, so it's going to be orange. No, I'm going to change the colour. Website. No. Coming soon. You don't have that for a website. Under construction. Sorry to give a well done on the English brain. Well done on the English again, brain. Under construction. Exclamation mark. And then pins and needles, that is not a fun feeling. What happened? What are you? I don't like you. Why do this to me, website? Why are you doing this? I hate you. Under construction. Woo! Now be a different color. Good. Be that color. That's a good. That's good text. Well done, text. Good text. Size that up a little, and by a little I mean quite a lot. There we go. And that'll do. I think maybe. We'll just center that, and then that seems centrally aligned, right? Pixel Soup, it's pretty crazy. What an amazing website of amazingness so far. I don't know. Words fail me. Pixel Soup, I suppose. And the source file is called some zombie thing. Because that's initially what Pixel Soup was. It was just zombies. And then I changed stuff. Um, oh, the changes that have been made fairly recently. You may not have, you probably haven't seen yet, because they have. Oh look, I forgot these. I added in crates. Crates. I don't like them yet. But look, grabbing weapons. You haven't seen that change. There's also enemies now. Very basic enemies. Um, these are your average, just little run around, and there is a slight blood effect. I'm not too happy with that yet. I'm not sure. I might make it an actual particle effect rather than objects. And this is literally just where the level ends. And there's still a debugging feature where you can change your weapons, so I can just... I am planning to have some recoil on this. Look, this is something I'm quite proud of. The minigun actually limits your ability to jump. You see, you can jump quite high. Get a minigun and you can just about jump over obstacles. And ah, look, I fell. The crates are destructible. I'm going to show you that. The crates are destructible. I say it like that because the destruction is not quite finished yet. They do have physics, as you can tell. Oh, physics. Look, that's how they're destructible so far. Oh look, walking into weapons will just change your weapon. I'm not sure if I like that, but it might stay like that. I'm not sure. So... what are we doing? Gun pickups. I think I'm just going to make this... just weapon. Oh no. It would be much easier to just... Nope. I am making this pickup weapon. Because then I can handle everything from the one place. And it will be lovely. Oh, okay. What? Oh, yes. Yes. Of course. I'm thinking with a brain. Index equals 0. Because why not? Yeah, gun 0 equals S gun. No, it's all going to be S gun, so just 0. Oh no, wait. Yeah, index equals 0, and then destroy. Yeah, yeah, that works. That surprisingly. Oh wow, hey, that. Oh, is it really that simple a change? Holy crap. It just equals index then, I suppose. And then, wow. Then, if we go into here, and we look at this, and there's a tiny little thing right there. Creation code, index equals 2, for example. It should be a machine gun, I think, or a shotgun, I don't know. Let's just check and find out and see and stuff. No, what's a bounce? Ah, bounce. Oh, right, yes. I know what happened there. I'm inheriting from there, so I need to inherit. Wait, no, in. I've not done this before. Inherent event. I've not done that code before. Wait a second. I think there might be a drag and drop for it. I don't particularly want to use the drag and drop, but if there is a cool event, is that cool parent event? Yes, there is. I'm going to try it with the code, with the drag and drop, and see if it works. But if it works, I'm going to try and figure out how to do it with GML, because I don't like using drag and drop. I'm thoroughly against it. It works. At least we know that. Oh, no. No. What happened there? Call the inherited event. Surely that's not it. Is it event inherit? Yes. That's it. Maybe that'll work now. Maybe. I doubt that'll work now. For reasons of it's a video game. If something's supposed to work, it probably doesn't. It doesn't work. Good for us. Why does it not work? Oh, that's just typical. Maybe I can just do that all in. I'm gonna do that here. Index equals 0, and then we can just change it in there. Oh, that might work. Let's try that. I'm good with that. Just whatever. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'll do it again and try and make it work this time. I'm Batman, by the way. Nope, not gonna work. Okay, why is that? Why is that? I don't see why that would be a problem, actually. If we just take away that creation code... Oh, would it be the fact that it's being... I haven't used creation code for a little while now, so... Maybe it is just the fact that we can't call it from there. Because it will shout at us. I don't know. I'd have thought it'd shout at us now, wouldn't it? Because... No? Okay. No, it's working. Oh, that was exactly what was wrong with it then. You see, I can be smart sometimes. I just choose not to in most cases. Oh, sugar. I actually really like that. I was hoping that would work. I better explain what I mean before I carry on being marvelled by my own work. As you're shooting, more blood comes out as you carry on shooting, and I was hoping with things like the machine gun and the minigun that lots of blood would happen, whereas with the pistol not much blood would happen, sort of thing. And it really works, because the blood actually comes from the bullets. My thought was, the more bullets that hit, the more blood there's going to be. So, but I wasn't sure if it was going to work, because as soon as one hits, it's dead. With that enemy anyway. That might not be the case with all enemies. But considering it's only a practice and you're given that enemy straight from the beginning, I thought it was a bit unfair to challenge the player too much. Yeah, I don't know. I have stopped thinking. My brain doesn't work anymore. Just leave me alone. And we'll all be happy. That's how things work here. I'm going to play with the shotgun. Simply because I want to play with the shotgun. Ah! I hate that. I'm not sure. I don't want that enemy there. I need there to be a little bit of space between the yeah. I have to stop thinking before my brain explodes. I have some other work that I need to do. I'm not going to stop streaming, of course, but I am going to stop streaming my desktop quickly because I have to check Kale's emails, and I think it's these ones. Because I have a text message. It's a text message from my good friend Martin. Hello Martin. I was in his film just yesterday. I was filming for his film and I felt rather crappy. So sorry for my subpar performance. Hopefully it comes out fine on the final film. Yeah. I'm allowed to be unprofessional. It's just I don't care. Yeah, it's a live stream. I'm allowed to laugh. Sorry, I'm having a conversation with someone over text message, but live stream. So anyone that can't see the text message, which makes everyone but two people, myself being one of them, you're going to be completely confused. Yeah, I'm allowed to laugh. It's a live stream. It's not professional. It is professional, but whatever. I don't care. What? Ah, I'm putting in the wrong password. Why do I do this? Aha! I was right to do so because I actually do need to reply. Oh, hello. Hmm. Okay, speak later. Bye. Again, text message talking. Not everyone. Don't just. Sorry, I'm reading an email. Because that's part of my job. I have to do admin work, and I don't know. It could be nice to just have a chat to people. Indeed. Well, just having a conversation with an email. Well done. Brilliant brain. Well done. Make me look smart. Oh. I'm probably gonna reply to that later because of reasons of yeah. I want to carry on streaming and stuff, and yeah. Plus, I don't feel like writing out a really informed sort of email right now. Why do I keep playing this? I am putting off the inevitable. I'm gonna have to do some code, and I'm no, I can probably do it. I'm gonna break this crate first because the crate breaking is humorous to me because of how awful it is. I find that so funny, just because they just disappear. And I'm gonna say hello to my friend sister Tasha. Hello. And now I need to get on with some work because that's what I'm supposed to do. I'm gonna use objects. I'm gonna make a Actually, that's what I might do here. I'm gonna turn this into O jib because yeah, instead of just having blood, I'm gonna have yep. Brain is working good. Oh, what am I doing? This one. This one is where the magic happens. Ah, blood. That is not a thing anymore. Oh, I know exactly how I'm going to do this. Repeat random. Wait, what? Yes, yes. Brain, come on. Put yourself together. Repeat random 5. Oh, come on, brain. I equals instance. Ah, English. Create. Come on, brain. X, Y, O, jib. With I. Oh, God. Come on. We can do this. We can do this. With I. Is that even... Come on, we can do this. Index equals 0 because index 0 is going to be blood because my brain says so. Oh. I'm gonna have to get rid of this because that's gonna really screw with my code. I mean, I could not be lazy and program it properly, but I'm not feeling that right now. It's just index equals 0. Index. No. 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 Yes. What? 0 equals S blood. Jib 1 equals S. We'll just have, for now I'm just going to say S crate, because, yeah, I don't know. My brain isn't going to be helpful today. Yeah, we'll just have that as crate for now. And then image index equals, oh wait, no, sprite index, pull yourself together. Sprite index equals jib index, and that should be, ever since I've reinstalled Skype, I've just had Skype messages coming up in the corner. It's really quite yeah, it's quite off-putting. I've run out of Spotify Premium as well, so less music for me, which is it's quite upsetting, but I'll live. Yeah, I'm gonna see if that works. It won't. Nothing seems to be broken though. And I'll do the same thing for collision with crate. Except I'll make the index 1. And what else goes on in the collision with the enemy, because I'm lost? Oh, smoke. Yeah, that's the thing. That'll need to happen as well. And also destroying the instance, but I'm not going to bother copying that because we don't need to do that. We don't need to copy that, I just don't really feel like doing it. Actually, I'm going to do the same with this, random 5. Oh, I'm going to have to do floor random. Because obviously we don't want a completely random decimal value, because I'm pretty sure that would screw up, considering we need a integer, which is essentially what putting floor next to it does. I think I'm really hyperactive. Just today I've had to have more energy than I had, so I forced myself to get more energy, and now I can't get rid of it. So that is what's with the silly voices that I may slip into, and the fact that I can't concentrate. That's yeah. Did I even need to? I didn't. Nope. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. You can live without changing that. Something's broken. Because I feel like I missed something. Nothing? There will be something. Just watch. Wow, something happened that was good. What is going on here? Are the... Hmm. I'm not certain everything went to plan, but I'm going to check anyway. Because of the embarrassing collision, I'm not going to stack these on top of each other. I don't like the collision. It makes me cry. Oh, there we go. I'm not sure what I hate about the collision, except the fact that it doesn't work. I don't want to use that. I want to use pistol. Just the standard. I'm going to work my way through these. Oh, yes. And the fact that the bullet does not disappear on contact. That's not good. Again, I want to use the pistol. I don't really know. I don't know if I like these, the particles so far. I don't know, they look good, but in the same way, I feel like there should be more of them. I'm going to increase the chance of there being particles. I'm not even going to bother grabbing the weapon, I can just scroll through. I seem to forget I'm the developer. You see, because now there can be lots of particles. I don't know, does that look good? I'm not even sure, I don't care. Oh, great developer. Great developer. I'm gonna just throw some crates around here and then blow them up in the best way possible with a minigun. Yay! Because why not? Well, that was fun. Also, another thing. I'm just writing this code really quickly. Don't know if it's right or anything, but if it's wrong, it's a quick fix. Plus equals 1. In fact, I'm expecting this to be wrong. But you know. Why does that not work? I'm kind of disappointed by that. Maybe X speed? I don't know why that's not working. It seems like something that should work. It's not working at all, is it? Is there a script for making bullets happen? There is. Oh, what? Equals. Oh, come on, brain. Let's work now. Equals -1. That's something, right? That'll work, surely. Won't it? I don't know. It works, but the wrong way. Which is, it's better than it not working at all, let's be fair. Actually, I really like that as well, because changing the X speed actually makes the animation speed change, which is much better than just moving 1 pixel to the side. Oh, did you see that? It's stuck on the default skin for a second there. And then use something like this, and yeah, I forgot I haven't put that in yet. Oh, what I might do is just steal this, because it's much better code. Oh, we don't want that. And then if we take it out of this code, we'll have nice tidy code again, but hopefully it should work. Maybe. I say hopefully, it probably won't, will it? I don't know why it wouldn't though, so maybe it will. Maybe. No, it works. That's really cool. And it makes it difficult to run as well, which is really quite cool. What I would like to do though is I'm going to try something. If oPlayer dot, I'm going to need to check out the player object here, see what, gun index. Player dot gun index is equal to 1, then that happens. Oh. Yeah, that works. We'll do the same thing here. I'm kind of in a position where everything that I'm thinking of is just leaking out of my brain, and it's gotta be honest, it's not working out too great for me. And then I think we'll just repeat that going down. But for 2, obviously we'll probably just do the same. For 3 would be the shotgun, right? So we'll probably do that. Perhaps 3 as well. Yeah, that works, I think. And then if it's 4, I'm pretty sure that's the minigun. So we're going to say something stupid like 5. 15? No way. It's crazy. And then we'll just... There you go. Let's try that. That might do cool things. I don't know. I have no idea. There seems to be a little bit of lag that happens now. I'm not sure if it's because I'm streaming. It might be though. What's that happening? Oh, I know exactly what that's happening. I made a mess up. But don't worry, I'll fix that in a minute. That works how expected. That also works like expected. That's a dream, that is. That works a treat. And a minigun. It's just crazy recoil. Actually, you could probably use this as a method of jumping, couldn't you? Because you can't jump very high, but you can certainly jump pretty damn far. Now, because I made a bit of a stuff up, I'm going to take the minuses off of these. Is that it? And then it should work. Pretty nicely, in fact. I'm not sure how the game is going to select yet what weapon goes here. The shotgun seems to be able to go through more things, and I didn't code it to do that. I really like how it does that, but I didn't code it, which makes me worry. Oh, that's another good thing. The way I was going to do it, players would glitch through the walls, but the way I ended up doing it, players don't glitch through the walls, which is brilliant. I'm not entirely certain why there's an issue with the bullets colliding. That's a little bit of a worry. And it has a mask. Why is that a problem? Is that centered? That's centered, alright. Ah, it seems to be a slight collision problem, and I don't understand at all why it would be doing that. Things seem to be going good though, I like this. Would you believe the Akale team wants me to close down this project? Oh, I know why. It's because there's three rounds that get launched out with the shotgun. So, as one of them's hitting first. Seems to be mostly with the shotgun that the collision problem happens with. Which kind of makes sense if you think about it. It's a spread weapon. That's probably why, you know. But that really does make sense, and it's probably more of a feature than a bug. So I can't really complain about it, really. Because, I mean, if it wasn't in there already, I probably would put it in. Because you see, that doesn't seem to be an issue with the pistol. It just seems to be a feature I'd probably put in anyway, so what's the point in fixing a bug if it turns out it's a feature that you were going to put in? Yeah, I think I've made my point. Those bullets just carried on. And there's no other explanation for it either. That seemed like a collision problem though. Do I have an excuse for a bug fix? Because that doesn't really leave anything down to the player's skill. That literally becomes a game of chance. Do you think I should draw the collision boxes for a while? Until I figure out what's going on? What am I doing? Control. Come on, brain, English. Oh. I'm going to have to do is x minus... I'm going to have to find out what size the sprite is quickly. Something I really should know. I think I just... Yeah, 8, 8, 8, 8. Minus 8, minus 8. Plus 8, plus 8. Yeah, I've been under a lot of grief recently to shut this project down. I'm reluctant to do so. I really love this project. So, chances of me shutting the project down are slim. Unless people just don't like it. In which case, I probably should shut it down. But, considering I've been doing work in the Akao team has yet to prove that they've been doing... I say the Akao team, I mean the rest of the Akao core team. Until they can prove that they've been doing work, I'm reluctant to listen to anything they say. Which, I don't know, that sounds a little bit mean-spirited of me, but I don't like them at the moment. That, again, is very mean-spirited of me. But, I don't know, a lot of them have been giving me a lot of grief, and I don't like that. That's not the bounding box. What are you doing? Haha. Oh. I am gonna have to, yeah, righto. No. I'm gonna draw a 0 and I'm gonna do... What I'm gonna do is... Plan... Did I save... Oh, what did I save the mask as? Where did I save the mask? Oh, it's just player mask. I see. Just gonna draw the player mask. Now I'm getting a backache. I think it's something to do with the speed of the enemy, because that's pretty quick. Maybe we slow them down a little bit. I think it is the speed, because... Yeah, actually that's a really good point. The speed at which the bullets are travelling in, the speed at which the objects are travelling in, there's a high chance that, because movement in video games is not smooth, it's actually, they make jumps. If you've ever done animation, you'll know. But say if they're both moving 16 pixels per second, and they were to meet just before touching, then they just skip over each other because they're both moving at the same speed. But if one of them was moving at a massive speed, one of them was moving quite slowly, it's possible that it just skip it completely. So, you know, there's a possibility. No, there's a probability that... Actually, no, it's definite. That's what the bug is. They're just... The bullets and the enemies just aren't meeting because they're moving too fast towards us. But I think that's fine now. Also, I don't think they're being deleted. The enemies are not being deleted. Yeah. If image alpha is lower than 1, no. Lower than 0.1. Yeah, that's how we do it. Instance destroy. Destroy you. Well done. Well done, brain. Good English today. Good English. I'm quite excited to watch this stream back because I want to know what the microphone sounds like throughout. I think I've made some progress though. What do you think? Tweet to me either at Akale's Twitter or my Twitter. Either way, I would be happy. And I would tweet back to you. That is a promise. I tend to tweet back to people if they tweet to me. Stretchy. What now? What am I doing? What is this? What is this? Do I have anything to do now? I do. I should probably carry on developing this game. Because I'm not done. I'm nowhere near it. Now is not the time to get bored and do something different. How long have I been streaming for? I don't know. Hmm. Why do you displease me? Christ, we need to start selling games here at Gale Games because that's how we make money. Oh God, we don't make any money. Not yet. Not yet. Come on, load up properly. I know I'm streaming, but I'm not using up that much bandwidth, surely. My computer hates streaming so much it is actually loading backwards. Gonna load right this time, aren't you? No? No, okay. I'm just gonna go, oh. Okay, okay. Oh, what now? What is there to do now? I suppose I could work on more of the level. It's so boring. I don't really want to expand the canvas. I find this part incredibly boring. So, you'll probably find it very interesting because if ever I'm incredibly bored of something, I will make myself vocal about it. Yeah. That's just about all I can say about that. It's just about all there is to say. Why do you hate me? Why do you not just work? Just work. I thought I fixed that once. There's a little thing here, and I'm pretty sure it's adding to collisions, and I fixed it once, but apparently I didn't fix it good enough. I might make a secret here. Do I make it? I think I make a secret here. Gasp, but you're watching this, you know it's not a secret. It's not a secret to you now. You've ruined the surprise. That's fine. It's not that much of a secret. It's not really going to be anything behind there. All I'm going to do is... I don't know what I'm going to put behind there. Maybe... I don't know. Maybe you'll get achieve for it. I don't know. Just if my imagination is serving me well, there will be achieve or something. Does that sound good? Do you want achieves? I don't even know if we're going to have achievements yet, so... Well done for good planning. Yay! Woo! For those of you that find it hard to pick up on my subtle sarcasm, there was no planning. Alright, I'm going to go back into the background now and just put this down there. I'm going to test out my secret bit. I know my secret bit works, I just want to test it out because, translation, I just want to play a game. I'm going to have to rename this at some point because it was going to be a test, but now it's not so much a test, it's the level. Oh, sheep. I'm probably going to have to... No, what would I need to do? It should be fine. I shouldn't have to reposition everything. No, it's all good. It's all good. Ugh. I am so bored. I'm not that bored. I'm just being melodramatic. Am I? Is that what I'm being? But there is no collision here. Oh gosh. I found secrets. Oh gosh. Secrets. Oh my god. I'm so bored of this. Not of making this game, don't get me wrong. I love making this game, but I don't know what is going on anymore. I want to add in a little bit of a puffy thing, but when... Oh, I think I can still use the same code. You know, this is such a subtle effect, but when you're already running and then you change direction, or you start running again in the same direction. Basically, if you're running, stop momentarily, don't lose your speed too much, and then run again. There's a little puff that comes off of your feet, like of dust or something. I want to add one of those when you land. Oh god. I can't even brain anymore. Where is the thing that does the... Oh, for God's sake. Right, dust kick up. If I want that to happen when you jump, or when you land. When you land or jump, I don't know. I'll just copy this. If this happens, I suppose this is basically just if you collide with something in a vertical direction. Yes. Something. Wow. Come on, brain. Okay. No, not good. If there's unexpected symbol in the equation. Symbol in the equation. Well done, brain. That's not what we're doing right now. Oh, something happens. I don't want it to happen there. But something happens. Why does it do that? Right, I'm gonna try and get comfy now because I am currently not so comfy. Luckily I have an extra long cable here for my audio. Whew, I am much comfier here. That's incredibly comfy in comparison. Oh wait, I gotta test something. Um, just no, that won't work. Sorry, I was gonna test something that doesn't work. I'm trying to get rid of any excuse for playing the game because I've been using any excuse to just play. I don't want to play anymore. I want to make the game. I want to make it happen. XY? That shouldn't happen, right? Oh, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be simple with it. Just put in a collision event. Oh, I'm gonna take out this bit though, because that's not needed. We don't need that fancy stuff. Not for that, anyway. Yeah. Yeah. No. Oh, come on, brain. Let's do this now. Hmm. Do I even technically collide with the block? I don't think I do. It's a strange thing, but the way I handle my collisions, I don't actually think that there's actually a collision there. So, that won't work. Oh, it's just a nice idea. It doesn't really make any difference. I just thought that maybe... I'll try and show you the effect, though. I mean, if this stream is even high resolution enough. But you see how there's a little puffy effect when you just change directions abruptly? Yeah, I quite like that. I don't know, it's just something I thought, why doesn't every game do this? I noticed a lot of games do have that effect. I just wanted my game to have it because it's a very nice effect. um, One thing I really can't wait to do is develop a boss. Because boss battles are cool. Oh, what I might do is have a trigger under here somewhere that reveals a chest or something, like a treasure chest here. Because obviously we don't want to see it as we're travelling over the top, over like here or something. So if we put a trigger somewhere near the entrance, just have like a chest pop up here. I'm not sure what we're going to have in it yet, but maybe it might have an early unlock of a shotgun or something. Because I think the way we're going to do it is we're going to have random weapons generated throughout the game. So the player can basically choose whichever, well, yeah, in a way choose what weapon they want to use if they are given the choice. So I'm going to check my personal Facebook and Twitter quickly, so I'm going to just shut off my screencast. I have... Oh, Christ. A photo of me? There's a photo of me? That was a long time ago. Yeah, that really was a long time ago. Why are people commenting on that now? Why am I even doing this? I thought I was going to get interesting things. Right, okay. People have been commenting on like 3-year-old pictures, which is that's all good and well. Right, Twitter. That's something. Hmm. I don't think anything has been done. Hmm. I did I say something just then? Because my brain's just gone completely blank. I think I said something that wasn't quite a sentence, and then I'm not good for this right now. What I think I might do is I might go and play a video game, and I might record playing that video game, and I'm I'm gonna select that video game while on air, I think. Or should I just look, Kerbal 14? That's not actually released on Steam, don't worry. It's just something I put there. And Steam isn't actually going to do anything because, you know, it's Steam. That's unfair. Steam's pretty good most of the time. Although it has become less friendly to us indie developers, which is a shame. It does seem on the surface that they've become friendlier to indie developers, but to indie developers like me, we're just uh, kind of looking at how Steam has started to treat indie developers. And they probably think it's really good and what they're doing is great, but it's making us indie developers, or it's making me as an indie developer at least, feel less professional because we've got to go through this whole green light thing, and it's just, come on guys, some of us are trying to be professionals here. We don't really want to go through this whole system, especially because I've realised that there are a lot of, you know, like the YouTube comment section has these genuinely hysterically nasty people commenting all the time. Greenlight has quite a few of those as well, and I've noticed that you do get the odd nugget of, or actually you get a lot of really good constructive criticism, and that's great, but again, it's open to anyone with a Steam account, so, you know, you'll know if you've ever been like on a Gary's Mod server or something, and really, 10-year-olds on there are insane. Oh, you may have noticed as well that you can't be killed yet. That is something the game doesn't do as of yet. But it does. Oh, it does have a nice main menu. I say nice. I don't like it. I want to change it, but I haven't done that yet. Also, it has an intro, which I'm going to show you the entire thing right now, and hope that I've set the game to the right resolution. I might even have it set to full screen. Nope, it's exactly how I wanted it. That's good. I don't even know whether I like this anymore. I might like it. Do I like it? I kind of like it. But at the same time, I kind of don't like it. I think it's this bit that gives me the most trouble because I want to do more with it. Like, I want to be able to have, I think I will, just like how I've got this pixel soup thing down here, that's out of place, that's like non-diegetic, it doesn't exist within the world of the game as such. So I'm just going to have things like next update is due on whatever time, because I have a nice bit of code that counts down to the next update. It's Zoe from Left 4 Dead. I'm going to play as her for a bit. Menu. I'm going to press continue. Nope! Doesn't exist. I've done a wrong. I think if I press new game it just goes straight to the test menu, test 1 video game thing. The test level. That's what I was looking for. Just skip that. You'll notice how it does that. It still does a bit of a scroll down. Oh yeah, look, you even set your own little name there. Oh no, it goes to the levels bit. And oh, blimey. I do need to fix the menu actually, don't I? If I change the menu, oh no, it's on this, isn't it? If I deleted data.save when I pressed new game, room test. That is a room. Why are you not working? It's an existing room. I don't understand why it didn't work when I pressed continue. What is wrong with this? I don't even get it. Why is that working? Why isn't that working, in fact? There's something very odd about this. Anyway, I think I might go because my brain is beginning to hurt from lack of think juice. So I'm going to leave you here. I'm going to say thanks for watching, and I'm going to say follow me on the Twitter. Follow Akale Games on the Twitter, and you can find me by misspelling Nexust on Twitter by pressing. Have I not been streaming any of that? Because I wasn't streaming any of that on the screen. That doesn't matter. You'll see everything for Pixel Soup in good time. Yeah, follow me on the Twitter by misspelling Nexust. In fact, I'm going to put this on the screen because I can, and it will probably help. Right, if I'll just get a bigger font, because why not? You can find me by typing in that, and you can find Akale Games by typing in Akale Games, I think, or going to akale.com and clicking the Twitter thing. There you go. That's what you do. That's advice to live by. Do that. Do those things. Follow me. Follow Akale, and go to the website. Not or and. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Goodbye, everyone.